What's up, everybody? Welcome to another vlog, RCG TV. Time for stopping by. Got my friend over here, Adrian. So today we're gonna be reviewing.
We're gonna do a air fryer. These are people are talking about this shit, so
yeah, we're gonna review and see what it's all about. So I'm not sure what he's cooking in there today, so we'll catch you in the next clip. Pretty much what it's all about. So take it away, brother.
Yeah. So we got the Cuisinart AFR 25C. Got this for $60 at Walmart. Apparently it's good, so we're gonna do the unboxing right now. Let's do it. Yeah.
All right.
This is how it looks like.
So we got it. It took forever.
This is how it looks like.
Yeah.
We're gonna open it up.
So
you see here, it's used for cooking
burgers,
fries, chicken wings. The good thing about air fryers, from what I've heard, is you don't have to use so much oil, right? So
they don't use oil at all.
So when you could use a little bit of oil. Okay. But when you're frying stuff, it's like you have a pot of oil, you're dipping fries in there. Yeah. You're frying it. Air fryers don't want that. See here, we got instructions.
Okay, walk us through it, bro.
I don't know. I've never used an air fryer. Some warranty information. Pop this open.
So now.
This metal unit.
Again?
Yeah. Gotta move this again.
Sure you got this? You got this one again?
I'll take these out first.
Yeah.
Alright. Now here we're taking this plastic wrap on. It's a nice small unit. I think for like small apartments like my own, super small, can like fit, in the small spaces.
I got a little trap door.
Yeah.
Oh, I got the tape. I don't
got
break
the tape
it.
up here?
No. The tape right here.
We got a tape here.
Like a refrigerator over there.
Yeah. Let's take the tape off.
I ain't got no fingernails, man. Yeah, I got it. Right. Okay, the door is open.
Door is open.
Hey, it's cute.
Hey.
They say $60 for this thing?
$60.
50.
60.
So I can cook burgers in there, just put a burger meat in there and just turn it on. And then I use the oil, basically, the oil that
just like small amounts of oil. I think that's the whole...
So it just pre-oil the meat and then put it in there?
Yeah. Oh, no. That's the idea. We got a tray.
Nice, bro. So we gonna test this bad boy out today?
Yeah, so I got some fries and I got chicken wings.
Oh,
we're gonna try it. Just wiggle it out of here. Got some more
junk here. Alright, so we got that tray.
Got the tray. This is a tray for the oil, so I think it goes on the bottom, from what I've seen.
Oh, so it drops the oil into the meat from the
No. This is just if you have oil and it's dripping, like the
to catch the
oil.
Yeah, catch the pan. My bad.
So you got this.
I know nothing about that. Back home in Jamaica, what we used to do to bake, oven, the Rastas showed me this. We used to have a zinc.
Yeah.
And when we have a zinc, we put fire at the bottom and a zinc on top of the pot and put hot charcoal on top of the zinc. And that's really how you bake a cake. Crazy.
Yeah, so this tray, you put your... Oh no, there's two different things. So you can either do a solid tray, put it in like this, right? Or if you're doing like chicken wings and you have to, cook from beef too.
Alright, so what are we fixing up today?
We're gonna do some...
Okay.
Yeah, much. I think there's a drip tray under here. I have no idea how it works, but we'll figure that out.
Oh, there's something right here. There's some kind of... What is this?
That's probably it.
What is that?
It's a good question. I have no idea. probably to like transport it.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
It looks like you can install it on a wall or something.
I don't know.
I don't know what that is.
Well,
it's just to keep it away from a surface. It gets
probably because the exhaust is probably on like the back and the side. So yeah.
All right. So we're gonna catch you in the next clip because I believe Adrian is gonna actually do some chicken wings or stuff. We'll take it from there. Catch you in the next clip. All right.
Yeah.
Woo! So we're back and we're gonna be seeing what this air fryer can do.
So first thing we're gonna do, make some curly fries. We're gonna try these. These are just frozen curly fries. We're gonna put them up here. Mind you, I have no idea what I'm doing. I've never made anything in air fryer, so we're gonna see how it turns out.
Oh, don't burn the stuff, man.
Now are we good?
I don't think you can burn it. What is this? Curly fries or something?
Curly fries.
All right.
So I'm gonna try my best to kind of spread it out, make sure nothing's like overlapping. Just have like one layer. 25 minutes, so we're gonna put them in here. Put them in here. I'm gonna make sure that
this stuff is properly doing.
Yeah, it's not like touching it's not
stuff.
touching the ceiling. So
Okay.
just want to make sure of that.
All right.
So we put this here. Looking good.
Yeah.
I'll put this in
Everything
here.
all good? The
Yeah.
power on? You got
So
power?
it says right here 450. I'm gonna turn it to 450.
450.
And then
The time is 15 minutes.
it says 15 25. I'm gonna do 25. So I'm gonna turn it here.
25 is right there. All right.
And you can hear it. You can
Yeah, I
hear
hear
it.
a fan going.
And you can see it here. So yeah, we're gonna hit you back in 20 minutes to see how they turn out.
All right.
Yeah. The instructions say to do it for like 10 minutes instead of 25. So I'm just like shaking them, moving them around a bit. Seems to be enough oil already.
They look pretty good though.
Yeah. And yeah, we're gonna put it back for 5 more minutes and see how they turn out.
All right.
Back
Put it
here.
in. Okay.
Just, and automatically turns back on. We're good to go.
All right. Okay, man. You gotta explain the stuff. What's going on now?
So we put it in for 10 minutes, 10
Okay.
to 15 minutes. We're gonna do our first taste test and see how it is.
Okay, let me see you, bro.
All right, let's see how it is.
Oh, nice. Hot.
First impressions is crispy on all sides. Like really good.
For real?
Yeah.
Let me try one, man.
It's cooked perfectly, I think.
It's golden brown though.
Golden brown, cooked perfectly.
Flavor to it too.
Yeah.
Because the pre-flavor that they did with it, it doesn't ruin it. Oh
Yeah.
shit, that's crazy.
I've cooked these in the oven before and they've been like soft on one
Whoa.
side. And
And they come out soggy,
this,
eh?
yeah, they come out soggy on one side or half of them come out soggy. Let's make sure
That's good. I like the taste though.
Yeah.
Ah, you're getting all the spices there.
Yeah.
It doesn't ruin anything. Nice, bro.
So yeah, you just turn it off.
So what's next? Here goes the
So
bell.
next we're gonna try some chicken wings. So we're gonna eat these
He's
fries.
gonna be popping in a chicken wing, man.
We got some breaded chicken wings. We're gonna try those next.
All right,
Yeah.
let's do it. All right. So pretty much my taste test, awesome stuff. But I'll catch you guys in the next clip and see what them chicken wings about. We'll go pop them in right now. So we take out this tray and this stuff is just. Why you telling me you're hot, man?
All right, so now we're gonna do some chicken wings, some frozen chicken wings, President's Choice.
President's choice.
These are breaded frozen chicken wings. They say to put it in for 400 degrees for 20 minutes,
Okay.
flipping halfway. So we're gonna see how it goes, and we're gonna adjust to let you guys know what time to actually cook. All right, so what I'm just doing here is
Oh snap!
pouring them on here, making sure I have.
My thing is, did they pre-cook these things? How did they get the bread on them? That's my question.
I think these are
It's pre-cooked
frozen.
already, eh?
I don't know. Yeah, these are already fully cooked, so we're gonna need less time.
So it's just
actually.
like
So it's gonna be less
way
time.
to go, President's choice.
Yeah.
Good stuff.
Be less time. We're gonna see how crispy these get. So I'm gonna fill up the tray with these.
Oh, there's some jumbo chicken wings though.
This is good.
Woo!
Put the
All
rest
right.
in here.
And we see that sausage right there.
This is, I think, ranch sauce or something.
Oh,
garlic,
for like
creamy garlic,
vegetables and stuff.
for dipping.
You got vegetables, man? Oh, we're gonna do French fries.
Yeah.
All right.
Put these in here.
You put these bad boys in.
It's here. Close them up.
Look at you, a chef now, eh? You think you can
Yeah.
cook? Uh-huh.
We got 400. We're gonna do 20 minutes. So
20 minutes?
do 20 minutes.
That's not 20.
That's 20 minutes.
No, you're supposed to go cross-way like this.
No, it's 20. It's 20.
You
after
sure?
20. Yeah, bro.
All right, don't mess up chicken wings.
Don't mess up,
Like,
bro.
undercook them.
All right, I'll catch you guys later.
So let's catch you guys in the next clip. We acting crazy right now. So we finish these chicken wings and see what's popping with the fries and stuff, and then we're gonna sit down. We sample all the food combined together and see how we take it from there. All right, peace. Holy cow. Adrian, what did you do, bro?
Don't worry about it.
Well, fire and stuff. I guess a whole bunch of light going on right now. What's going on over there? Okay. We got trucks down here. Holy, the whole street is blocked off, bro.
That's crazy.
What happened? There's a lot of firefighters. Something must really happen. Alright, I hope you not have an air fryer, bro.
Yeah, that's Alright, so we're about like halfway through the 20 minutes. I'm just gonna flip these. Just gonna pull this out. Now one of the things is a bit kind of hard. It's kind of hard to kind of pull this drawer out. So you dig in deep with this. There we go.
Oh, it's coming brown.
So we can see it becoming brown. So I'm gonna flip them.
It looks greasy.
There's grease already in it, right?
Yeah,
so,
chicken most
yeah.
Friday won't grease.
Otherwise, if you're making your own chicken wings, you don't really have to put that much oil. Maybe like a teaspoon or something.
Yeah.
Just kind of lightly coated.
Then you just flip
Yeah.
them.
So yeah, I'm just flipping these now.
Alright, look at the chef, King Chef right now. That big piece right there. Can you get that big piece right there, bro?
Yeah, yeah.
That big, yeah.
Yeah.
Don't be like that, man. Remember you now. I'm watching you, man.
So flipping everything. Usually air fryers can do both sides, but you know, just to make sure.
Alright.
So I'm gonna push it back in, and we're late for another 10 minutes.
Alright.
See you guys in 10 minutes. All right, back. We're going to. It looks kind of like it's cooked enough, so we're gonna try it. We're gonna test one wing and see how it is. So pulling it out. Again, like this tray is a bit hard. I mean, that's kind of like the only thing. It's kind of hard to kind of pull this tray out.
That's the only thing.
Yeah.
Okay, we found a fault.
Found a fault. Let's see if I can grab this. There we go.
Don't fry your hand, bro.
So yeah, they're looking pretty well.
Golden brown right there.
Looking golden brown. I'm gonna I'm kind of feeling it. I'm gonna put it in for 5 more minutes. I'm gonna flip it again. Yeah, just so we make sure it's
I thought
actually
you said it was
crispy.
ready, man.
It's almost ready. It's almost ready, man. Just wanna make sure it's good. I think it is ready. You know what? Let's try one. We're gonna try a small one.
You try
and
that
see how
one?
it is. Yeah.
Alright, then you do your thing, man.
All right.
You gonna close the door with the rest of them? Just in case?
Yeah. Let's close the door with the rest of them. Back.
It's back on.
Alright.
Alright, sample time.
Do a quick sample. So I'm just gonna cut in here. Looks good. It's hot.
Tender?
It's crispy. It's tender. I think this is perfectly good.
Good?
Yeah.
Alright. Not so shabby, eh?
All right. So we're gonna take these wings out. We're gonna do a taste test with Ryan and I, and then we're gonna see you guys in a bit. Right. Let's
Adrian.
try it.
See what is popping.
So far the fries were good.
I think the fries right now are my favorite. I haven't changed the chicken wing yet, but
Yeah.
I'm check it out.
Chicken wings crunchy, tender on the inside, really good. Should try it out with ketchup, but. Really good.
Oh shit. It's perfect.
Yeah.
Good. Bringing flavor a lot up. I eat chicken wings from the oven a lot. Like what you were saying. Come out mushy and stuff. You know, like
That's the thing, right?
you know. But look at this.
Yeah.
It's nice. Like basically, you went to a 5-star restaurant and getting the flavor and everything.
And most of these took less time than an oven. Right, because you had to preheat the oven. This took, with the fries took 10, 15 minutes. Same with the chicken wings, 15 minutes.
Bring out the champagne.
Yeah.
And not deep fried in oil.
Yeah.
Ooh, right off the bone, bro.
So next time what we're going to try is we're going to make our own, what I want to do is make our own fries. We just cut up potato
Yeah.
and our own chicken wings.
Let's see
And we're
how
going to
it
try it.
come out.
And we're going to try using like maybe like one, even like no oil, but like 1 tablespoon. of
That's
oil.
crazy. Bro. Wow.
Good, eh?
Yeah. So that's the air fryer, guys. My experience right now, A1. Love it. Good call, bro.
Yeah, I think you can get it for a good price.
And pretty ready, like you come home from work, you have that, you can really cook yourself a meal like real fast.
That's the thing, it's pretty easy. You put it in, turn it on, flip it halfway maybe, and then,
Yeah. Do they have a bigger one than this?
Yeah, this is
The
their
same
compact model.
Yeah.
They have a bigger one, which is also like a toaster oven and an air fryer.
brand?
Um, So yeah, they definitely have an air fryer depending on how many people you're cooking for or how much space you have.
Yeah, so that wraps it up for the air fryer review. It was off the chain. Thanks for the chicken wings and the curly fries, by the way.
problem.
It's my first time trying those curly fries, though. Yeah,
It's good. I definitely recommend air fryer if you can get it for a good price. I think it makes great food. You have to adjust your temperature a little bit compared to the oven.
Yeah, but I saw you were doing something because you were doing a research on it. So, so if it's 450 degrees from the oven, it's the same you're gonna put on the air fryer? Or?
No, it's different. I think it's less time. You kind of have to play around with it and just kind of check on it. But once you figure it out, then you know just to put it in, turn it halfway for like 20 minutes. So it's really like playing around with stuff. But yeah, definitely recommend it. I mean, it's a healthy alternative rather than like frying your food in like oil. And you can make like fried vegetables, seafood, chicken. Basically anything you can fry, you can air fry.
Yeah.
So what do you think? Would you
I
recommend
like it.
one?
I would recommend one. I'm gonna get one.
100%.
So that wraps it up, guys. Take care. I'll see you again next time.